how much is your reserve fund? Kasi wala man ako nakita, nandito sa aking harapan ngayon yung 2024 PhilHealth budget ninyo eh. Wala man ako nakitang programa dito na may reserve fund kayo.
Madam Chairperson, Honorable Representative Acop, as of March 2024, our reserve fund is 488.1 billion. Madam Chairperson, Honorable Representative.
Ano po ang basis ng reserve fund ninyo?
Madam Chairperson, Honorable Representative Acop, may we request that we acknowledge SVP Renette Lim Shaco to answer the question. Madam Chairperson, please.
Madam Chair, Honorable Kong Acop, maraming salamat sa tanong. Magandang hapon po. On the basis of our reserve fund, Madam Chair, ito po ay yung cumulative na residual during the past year's operation from our premium and our expenses, Madam Chair, Kong Acop.
You have under your budget an item of benefit package improvement under the Universal Healthcare Law. Di po ba?
Yes, Madam Chair,
Under your
Kong Acop.
2024 budget, meron pong pondo na yon, di po ba?
Yes po, mayroon po.
So, ano na ngayon ang status nun? Kasi dalawa na kayo, in-approve nyo yung request ng aming speaker na i-increase ninyo yung funds for dialysis. Di po ba?
Yes po.
Ngayon,
Acop.
in-approve nyo yung request ni Congresswoman Kimbo na isama ninyo ngayon yung mga TB-1. Kaya tinatanong ko, saan magagaling yung pondo na yun?
Ang pondo po na ginagamit po ng PhilHealth sa pagbayad ng ating mga benefit packages po ay galing sa premium ng ating mga miyembro at saka galing sa national government po. As to the premium galing sa national government for the year as of May, Madam Chair, Kong Acop, ang nakolekta ng PhilHealth po ay batay sa cash flow po ay umabot ng 77.1 billion, Madam Chair, Kong Acop. And on the part of the national government po, hindi pa ho natin na-receive yung ating allotment from the national government for year 2024. Actually, we have appropriation of 61.51 billion, Madam Chair, Kong Acop.
Okay, so we're assured na magagawa talaga yung in-approve nyo na request ni Kong Kimbo.
Yes, Madam Chair, Kong Acop, PhilHealth has enough fund as of this moment, Madam Chair, Kong Acop, to cover the benefit packages because yun na po yung intention ng programa ngayon to provide improvement and expansion ng mga benepisyo natin para sa ating mga miyembro. Madam Chair, Kong Acop. Thank you.
Before Congresswoman Kimbo will ask you the question, how much fund do you have in your 2024 budget for benefit package improvement under the Universal Healthcare Law?
Madam Chair,
How
Kong
much
Acop,
do you
ang
have?
ating COB for year 2024 ay 243.4 billion pesos, Madam Chair, Kong Acop.
Are you sure of your figures?
Yes, Madam Chair, Kong Acop. That is our COB corporate operating budget po ng PhilHealth
Hindi.
para sa
Ang tinatanong ko is, yung may programa po kayo under your budget, yung benefit package improvement under the Universal Healthcare Law.
Yes po, on the part
How
ng
much?
benefit improvement from
How much
PCS
do you
and
have for
PAGCOR,
that?
we have 21.17,
Yes. Now,
Madam Chair, Kong Acop.
thank you. Tama po na yung sagot po ninyo. What is the status of this fund now? Kasi nakalagay dito sa agenda yung budgetary performance of the PhilHealth for the first quarter of 2024 and prior years.
Madam Chair, Kong Acop, the status of 21.17, this is funding from PCS on PAGCOR, Madam Chair, Kong Acop, ay wala pa ho tayo na-receive na allotment for year 2024. Bagkos still PhilHealth paying the benefit payment from whatever resources that we have right now na po pwede natin
So you're
magastos po.
telling this committee na panaginip lang pala ito?
Madam Chair, kung ako, hindi naman po sa panaginip as it was already allocated and formed part of our GAA in the year 2024 po, Madam Chair, kung ako.
Pero ang sinabi nyo, yung status nasa hangin pa.
Yes po, I think that is for release po ng ating Department of Budget and Management and of course of our Bureau of Treasury as to the funding po. Thank you po.
Thank you, Madam Chair.